Here I'm going to show you how to angle the bracket on this bullet camera. So this is an IPC 4K18. There's a screw right there that you have to loosen, and you want to loosen it just enough so that it's kind of extending out like that much. Don't do more, otherwise it'll just come out and it'll be hard to put in. There's a ball joint that lets you angle the camera using this elbow joint right here. But then there's another thing you could do. If you orient the camera this way, you can use this as a lever and rotate the base to be where you want it to point. So if, let's say imagine this is an eaves and you've got the camera mounted like that. On top of the eaves, you can do this to the camera and then angle it. So if you're using a junction box, or you already have the camera screwed to the eaves, you don't have to remove it and re-drill new screws. So here's what you do. You basically rotate it on the axis, and then once you've got it positioned the way you want it, you can re-engage this screw and it will keep the bracket held together. You just got to make sure you tighten it well enough so that it's making contact inside and it's no longer going to move. Now, of course, if someone tries to hang on the camera, it will move. So it just has enough tension to hold the camera in place against the elements. Please don't tighten this with a drill. Whatever you do, do not use a drill on the security camera joints. Otherwise, you're going to strip the screw, or worse, ruin the joint. This joint cannot be repaired. Once you ruin this, it's ruined. You're going to have to purchase a new camera. So be careful when using incorrect tools. You have to use hand-driven screwdrivers just like this. Thanks for watching.